one person can do the work in women's wing. You have your own blocks. Organizing means how well you coordinate the task in your team. Does each unit have a full team? So teamwork is very important in the women's wing. So women's wing is not only about you getting benefits. Women's wing is how you create benefits for others who are part of your team. You are here as leaders. You are here to give importance to all those lovely development plans that the NPP, because it is forming the government, will be able to help you grow in your life. You will find a lot of differences in each other because you're meeting once in a while. That's why our women's wing is every time we meet our women's wing. Why? Because we want to bond. We want to hear the stories that we can bring in those meetings. We want to hear the solutions that you can bring in those meetings. Don't look only at the problem. Problems are there. That is what life is all about. But who's going to give the solution? Only Ransom will give the solution? No. You should know what are the solutions that are there from the government side. The activities, what kind of activities we can do to make our NPP Women's Wing team vibrant, to make our women's team very, something that people can talk about, to make our women's team relevant, and to make our women's team very, very strong. You are the face of the NPP in your constituency. You are the voice of the NPP in your constituencies. And you are the ears of the NPP in your constituency. Our Chief Minister, I will tell you, I have seen in my family 50 years of governance in someone or the other from my family is going. This is the first Chief Minister, I'll tell you, who's hearing, who's listening to the needs of our people. That's why we should give importance to these schemes that are coming. If you're not going to use those schemes, your block will have to send back the money. How many of you are asking your block BDO, show me how much has been sanctioned and how much has been used. You have the right. Housing schemes are there where you can get all kinds of benefits. So it's so important for us to be aware of what this governance means in our households.
When we say we are Indian, means we are one. We are one. Okay? So, practically, when we talk of ideology of NPP, it is secularism. Secularism. Okay? Secularism. Now, therefore, NPP, shall endeavor to ensure all citizens, number one, justice, social, economic, and political. This is, I think, the best ideology. Okay? I don't want to see that people should be left out. Okay? Everybody should have justice. Everybody should have social and also economic and political. Now, for example, next should endeavor also to ensure all the citizens to have liberty of thought. Liberty of thought, liberty of expression, equality of status and opportunity. Upamlah kan karen dia menyo kalah kan ban simenta. Equality of status and opportunity. Ubaduk. I mean, he has to get status and opportunity. Ndai kan diberi kebasta, ndai kan diberi respect, and no. And that is one of the ideology of NPP.
Ye bhi kilok kami ni konsumlah BE Chief Minister jongi kubu National President jongi hagini ki scheme hagini ka government nadu ada kapra adu mata ada mulai BE gini ki scheme la khambun pasna na kamta ki konsumlah betul biada la khambun la ngi phai shagani ka prime gani ka scheme konsumlah khambun kayas Kikonsumlah Aspire, Kikonsumlah Meghalaya Grassroots Millet Project, Kikonsumlah Luxury Vehicle Scheme, Kikonsumlah Balai ni undang yang menjadi putih pakalawai dari berkecat pria menjadi kedai jongki konsumlah kami. Tak ada nak kerbat di gilang kami ni undang yang jongkar sedih youth NPYF. Niju ya well di pun sama ali ya yawan lang bat ni kumlo pendil NPP kita baru kamta me ni hakili islam pun ada ki ajar arpau chene ni ladon gather guidance ladon di counseling dan ai di pun sama kamta hakalit pudi kamta haki exam dan online tuition pun ilaju puteng Day gini kipun sama, namata gini kipun sama. Ting akan part ni kilong kebe, sobha, level, online kerbat dan ni kikun, kikti, kicumpi. Pada sok lem bat ni, kum ki National People Youth Forum. Kumnu ba minyo ala kalimpi, ban ilam ni ki, kinu kidak.